Hey, if you're looking for a great certified carry-on bag that's going to work on all airlines, check this one out. This is made by BAGSMART. So I'm just going to give you a view here of me wearing it. I have a 17-inch gaming laptop in this, along with all my carry-on items. I'm going to show you that in a second. The straps here, it's a little bit of a thinner profile, if you can see. Sometimes the straps are really wide. So I like the thinner profile. It's not bad. This here is adjustable. If I want to bring it up higher, watch. Just pull down and then it's just going to hike it up, and it's just really comfortable. It's not wanting to fall off. I don't feel like I got to round my shoulders to keep the straps on. The brand did gift this to me in exchange for my honest review. So the first thing I want to show you is the nice thick pad on the back here. It's great. Let's flip it over. On the side here, you've got a side pocket. On the front pocket, I've got a book and a phone with plenty more room in there for whatever I want. This second pocket here is nice because look at how this opens. It's opening from corner to corner. Sometimes these only open from like here to here, and then, you know, you got to kind of dig down in there. This opens up. Look at that. So now I can look in there and get what I need without having to thumb around. I've got a charger, I've got some sunglasses, we've got our mouse in there for the computer, and I still have some more room for whatever I need there. This is the third and main compartment. Look at this. When you open this up top here, we've got a mesh compartment. We've also got a secondary wet pocket right there. They're gonna give you this nice elastic strap that you can clasp together to hold the items down. I've got a full change of clothes and some in here, and I've got a pair of shoes. I actually have room right up here for a toiletry bag. Forgot to put that in there, but I could do that if I wanted to. So we'll go ahead and zip this closed. Really nice zipper, no issues there. Sometimes the zippers want to come apart. And look at the fabric. It's really stylish. I like it. Okay, so it opens about halfway, and look at this laptop. This is an old school thick gaming laptop, 17 inches. A lot of the newer laptops are much thinner than this, but look at how nicely that goes in there. No problem at all. Again, zips up nicely. So if we go ahead and clasp this down, now watch this. I can take this, pull it tight. I can pull this tight, and look what it does. It compacts and compresses the sides and the bottom of the bag together. So it makes it even better for a carry-on to slip up into the top there or under your seat. Okay, so there you have it. This is the BAGSMART certified carry-on. Fits everything, very spacious, but it's compact enough to go into the carry-on spots. So yeah, pick this up, check it out. And yeah, that is my very quick review. And as always, thanks for watching.